Hubble doesn't have any thrusters on board to be able to propel us in any way, shape, or form. What we can do is we can turn our attitude. And what we do is we have reaction wheels that are about 2 feet wide. We've got 4 of them. And if you spin a reaction wheel in one way, the telescope will rotate in the opposite way. We're moving all over the sky looking at different places. Typically, we will go to a target and stay there for probably 2 orbits, each orbit being about 95 to 97 minutes.